else through so we can cover, okay?
Right.
Well, I'm going on, am I?
Right, go you on then now.
Right.
You get up the middle, he's going down each side. Right. Ready! Go! What do you reckon, Husty?
Well, ground's wet, that's what I reckon.
Try and stay up as much as you can. Like. Oh! Nah, that's cameraman. I'm going up on their flank. You've as well to run, sir. Move. Whoa! Well, that's me fucking dead. That's Alan out. Take a second hit. Hand up, Alan. Gun down. You need to start moving, boys.
That's what I'm trying to do.
He's throwing a flashbang, buds.
Is that Marcus the smoke one?
Grenade! Oh fuck! That didn't go as far as I thought it would. Damn tree, bro.
I hit the tree. Who's they sniping down there, guy? He's accurate with that sniper rifle. McDade.
McDade, there's one hand planks fell out of your pockets there.
Husty, you hit twice.
Job.
Blue team, you need to advance. Push them boys back. There's only one or two of them left. Close in on them. Go round their flank. Butch, go down to your left and close in. Is that the last man hit? Blue team wins. Woohoo! Blue team!